I know sometimes we are understanding, body probably not quite yet, or sometimes body understanding, or mind doesn't understand it. So that's our job trying to match them together. Okay. Now today I'm gonna be facing straight the camera. If you want to do it, follow me, you do so, or you can just kind of look at closer a little bit so that you can practice more freely. And this is really comfortable. Yesterday actually pretty rewarding. I saw the one another one, a couple of hours student will practice outside. We got at a big park. We got plenty space between people to people. But anyway, when I see the grasper tail, actually some people improving a lot. So that's really good. That's really good. Started feeling the dantians. That's what we talk about. These guys. Arm is just a tool. Okay, our mind is master. Try to master our dantian, the dantian guiding this tool to follow you. So, but don't let this hand or feet, those especially arms, don't let them distracting you. So that's the idea. So we do Tai Chi. 内观, see through inside. So let's go take any step forward. Okay. So you can do the same side with me to opposite side. It doesn't matter, depending how you feel. I'm going to facing this way. Now look at my body. If shoulders, okay, one day in the front, shoulders do not be like this. Okay, one hand. For example, my left hand, left leg. Right now, body to side. I'm gonna put my hand lower so you can see it. See that my chest is a little corner this way, but not complete like this. Now see my sides, not like this. That's too much. Soft down, turning. Can you see the circle right here? Like holding a ball. Elbow. See that? Don't do elbow. I see people do that this one too. So relax. Because we feel, we go forward, we are seeing, we're feeling in front. Front is just young energies. So we're easy to see them. But behind, some people maybe, see that? Maybe heel off the ground, or some people maybe the hip not even done yet. Something like this one. So make sure you relax. Look at my elbow, my back. Don't over your back too much. That create a shoulder here tight. See that? That's the angle right here. Angle right here. So you don't want to be like that. You want to be your energy able to look at this circle. That is a circle. Okay. So you put down. Don't go too far back. Go out. That's the details I see yesterday. I'm share with you. So got this. You go out. See that? My energy doesn't stop. Still going, moving. Okay. All right. So let's go from here. Now, turn your body. See that my arm don't move, right? Okay. This elbow is drop down. See, drop down and go. Turning, rolling. See that? Rolling. Same time your body. See that? Body leading, rolling. Okay. Then shoulder, hips, back leg bending. Relax. Now, when you're feeling here, pulling to your body, you got nowhere to go. Right now, right here, your body yield to the side. See that? Your arms already go without move anything. And then open it. Shoulders level. Right? And then bring them back. Now, when you're back, don't push, use the arms. Lower body go. Get in the energy. Right? And then you push. Now open. Take it back. Right here, your body has a, let me show you the size. See that? You take it back. It has a little circle that is. I'm to make it bigger. Okay. See, little circle that is. So you take it in, going down. So then it has little spiral right here. Okay. So let's go from here. Open. Take it back. Turn your right. Going down. Climbing up. Okay. And then extending, not a push. Extending, then out. See, including my, look at my back leg, keep it a little bit. Yeah. So finish at the same time. That's called 一动百动. Once you move, everything moves. So there's no, one thing at a time. You middle party in the entire move. So I'm gonna try it one more time with you. This time I'm gonna be more flow. Okay. But you try to remember as much as you can. Body sideways, your elbow don't go too far back. See that? Relax. Go out. You can go out. You can go out more. Okay? Now roll, elbow relax, turning. Chi down, back leg, take it. And see that? Body turn to the sides. Rising up. See here, circle, inhale. See, inhale. Down. Let go. Now separate it. I'm gonna make it a little dramatic so you can see it. See, turn down and push. Okay. Now practice and see are different. Now when I do this one, I never do that in my form, but it is some people, they do that part. So I don't recommend do that one. That's more too external. That's why people sometimes, oh, Tai Chi, oh, just like slow dancing. Yes, if you're doing too, like a modern, I'm trying to add in a little bit, okay? You can laugh it, having fun. So you go, oh, very enjoy it, oh, okay, But that is a slow dancing. And for healthy wise, that works too. But if you do it Tai Chi, try to understand the meaning. And then you can learn more philosophies and then you more appreciate it, what you have, what your ability had, or what you achieve, the goal, the energy you can feel more a little bit, and what develop into your life, your spirit. So anyway, that's something I'm always sharing. I'm so passionate about these things. Let's go take it one other side. All right, see that? My elbow, don't go back, relax. Energy outside your hand, see that? See, outside, that's inside, that's out. Outside, this part, inside. See that? So from Dantian, just expanding. So we go, expanding like that. Okay? So after expand, what happened? Look at this elbow, relax. So your shoulder relax, so your elbow relax. You relax and turn your body at the same time. So then you take energy up to the diagonal. Then bottom of the hand, see that? If you're breaking down this, just like a spear, just spear, right? But it's the whole thing movement. Relax. Not too high. Some people are super high. No, lower. Lower than your eyes level. Okay. Then bending your back leg. Take it. All right. Close the body. Lay to the sides. Then you're rising energy up. Now settle down. Then expanding. Pun. Let go. Okay, I'm gonna make it dramatic again so you can see. See, turn right, drop down, climbing up, and push. Okay, now I'm gonna show you my real do it. Okay, right here. See, just very small, very small. Okay, just like that. Okay, all right. So anyway, that's what Tai Chi you're looking for is the learn how to be more balanced. Okay, all right, one more time, or 2 time exercise. Okay, ready? They'll talk about more details. Okay, ready? Make sure here's pun. Okay, you're not just relax and relax. That could be yin and yin energy. Here's pun yang energy and relax yin energy. Drop yang pull. You can feel the energy more. And in, come inhale. And go push. Let go. Just a little bit, dantian leading. Now don't push until 80% forward. Then push, expanding. All right. So that is a little detail about grass vertical. Now next one, I'm gonna be go facing to you, doing exactly the same, but just facing to you. Okay. So let's go. We are from holding ball. We go that side, that side. Ready? Let's turning. Takes the bow. Check your elbows, right? And relax, leading up, pull back, chi down, which means get your energies, then expanding and relax. Come back, chi down, and push. Take it right in the front. Now, very important, your bottom foot turn, hook in. Now, settle down. So you strength under this leg, strong. So now toes still supporting. Now look at it, turn your hips a little bit and bring back. If you can off ground, that's fine. No T stands. Okay. Now right here, pun. Softly, elbow down, turn and back. Okay. Let go. Open. Settle down. Forward and push.